Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna go to Red Rooster. Red Rooster is an Australian based fast food joint that makes fried chicken just like KFC and also roasted chicken. Today we're going to be trying out the different fried chickens that they have on the menu, and also we're gonna be reviewing them. So don't forget to watch to the end, and please do subscribe and like this video. For our order, we ordered the tenders box, which has large chips, 600 milliliter Sprite, any sauce that you would like, also one pineapple fritter, potato mashed gravy, and also of course 4 tenders. Also ordered the Red's hot fried chicken, 3 pieces of that. We also ordered the 3 pieces of buttermilk wings.
I bought buttermilk wings. It was crispy, deep fried, and but I did not get the smell of buttermilk. It was kind of tasty as well as salty. After having a piece there, we both decided, okay, let's go home and eat. So we headed back home.
Here we have the tenders box. It has the 4-piece tenders. Of course, the boneless has the garlic aioli sauce at the bottom. Large fries. This is a pineapple fritter. It's a Red Rooster's famous dish. And of course, the potato gravy. This is the buttermilk wings and Red's hot fried spicy chicken.
You liked it?
Yeah.
What is that?
Chicken tender.
Okay. The buttermilk wings is good. Deep fried. I feel little salty. Otherwise, it's good.
And guys, this is a pineapple fritter. So it's a fried piece of pineapple. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna taste, so I'm gonna try it. This is the first time I'm trying it.
I can't read your face. How is it?
It actually tastes good. It's the crispiness tastes like the fish and chips one, but it's sweet, and the pineapple is actually like soft.
It's so awkward to eat while recording. Mm. Yes, it is. Pineapple is soft. It's crispy. Look like it's just coated with.
The inside tastes like pineapple.
Yeah, it's just coated with batter, and they have deep fried it.
Yeah. Okay, so now this right here is the spicy fried chicken. I mean, it does smell spicy. So
I'm just checking whether anything that I can take from his piece. I was not too hungry, but so I just bought a 3 piece of wings for myself. But then now I feel like I should have bought more, or I'm going to ask him for a share.
No, I'm not giving her any.
Okay.
It it sort of tastes like peppery chicken, like it has the sort of taste of pepper on it, and it's actually really greasy, but it tastes pretty mild. It's spicier than the other pieces, but it's not very spicy. It just tastes good.
He says it's done recording and he's going to enjoy the meal. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Leave your comments, let us know your feedback, and thank you for watching.
Amen.